Hi, and welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India. And last week I went out and did Parks on the Air activation with this 91 balun, or unun more correctly, from eBay. And had pretty poor results. And a little bit later, this unun arrived from eBay. It's basically the same product, but I think we should open them up and see if we can spot any differences to them, which might give an explanation on why I had such poor results. So again, the left one here is the old one that I used for the activation, and the right one is the new one. And let's just zoom in on one of them here. And this is the new one, and I'll try to show you as good as possible here. It's kind of hard to get any closer, but it's actually not a bad job. It's pretty good solder joints here, and everything's put together pretty good. Let's switch to the old one and see. If you look at the old one here, the toroid core is loose. It's not glued fast. But there is one more thing. Let's see if we can show you. Actually, one of the wires has broken off. Let's see if we can get it to focus here. The wires right here has broken off. Right down here. And that actually explains a lot regarding why I didn't get any good results on this. So this is the old one with a broken wire, and this is the new one where everything works. So my next step is taking the new one out, maybe to the same spot, maybe to a different spot, and try that out and see how that performs. Anyway, I think I found out why my my soda activation wasn't that good. If you like this content, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, there are a couple of ways down below. You can either buy me a coffee or support the channel on Patreon. Thank you for watching. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India, and until next time, 7-3.